What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts, and in today's video I just want to document another portion of my life. It's been a while since I've been making videos. I've been really focused on business, selling. I've been neglecting my YouTube channel, but there's one really important video I want to share with you guys, especially if you're young, going through high school, going through college. And I just want to share with you how you can make 6 figures a year. More importantly, I want to share this because I wish I knew this while I was going through college. I wish I knew this when I was going to finish high school. I wish I knew this when all my teachers, my friends were pressuring me to go to college. And even though it was not right for me, I want to share with you guys exactly how I made 6 figures, how you can make 6 figures without going to college, and exactly what you can do. And more importantly, guys, I want to share with you a very important story, as I feel like it can help you get ahead of your friend group. I hope you become more successful at a young age, and more importantly, get way ahead financially, physically, mentally, spiritually. I just want to share with you guys what I did that allowed me to save up to buy my first house. And the story I want to share with you guys is that I had a friend of mine come over to my house. She's in graduate school and she's looking at my new house. She's like, how much you pay for this house? I bet $296,000. How much you put down? I put $65,000 down. And she said, how the hell did you save $65,000? How the hell did you have this money? How the hell did you buy this house and you're just turning 23? And I just want to share with you guys exactly what I thought about this, but more importantly, share with you guys how you can start getting ahead of your friend group, how you can start really making a lot of money when you're young, and more importantly, the steps that I wish I knew when I was younger. But more importantly, she says that I'm in grad school. I can't understand this. How did you do this? But the truth is, guys, some people want to get ahead in life. Some people want to make a lot of money. Some people want to go out there and become successful financially and buy their house and buy the nice car and get the money that they always wanted. But you have to take 15, 20 years of college, and then you go, and not 15, 5 to 10 years of even college education to graduate school. You go into $150,000 worth of debt, and now you're stuck behind the 8 ball. Now you're in a hell of a lot of debt. Now you're stressed. Now you're worried about money, and more importantly, always chasing up. And that's what I share with you guys decisions that I make, but more importantly, the sacrifices that you have to make if you're willing to save, make a lot more money, especially if you're young. Now, this week has been a hell of a week. A shit week for me, working, customer complaining, shit going wrong. But guys, as an entrepreneur, I just want to share with you guys the truth. As a business owner, when you're young, the thing that they don't share with you in college is that selling, becoming an entrepreneur, being a business owner is hard. And it's not easy. It's not glamorous. It's putting in 13, 14, 15 hours a day, going in on Saturdays, working, Sundays even working, and you just never shut off. So what I want to show you guys, I want to get to the meat and potatoes of this video is how can you make a shit ton of money when you're young? How can you get ahead of your friends financially at a young age? But more importantly, I want to share with you guys the lessons that I learned at a young age that can help you make 10, 15,000. Last week I made $12,000 in 1 week. And I'm just thinking, how the did I do it? Like, I cannot see myself. But more importantly, it's the skills that I developed. And more importantly, it's going out there and just doing the hard work, failing multiple times for 4 or 5 years, not knowing what I'm doing, get laughed at customers, get laughed at Thanksgiving dinners from your family because they think that you're a failure. But more importantly, just believing in yourself. But what I want to show you guys is how can you do this without going to a college degree? Because if you don't choose college, there's so many different opportunities. If you don't choose going down the formal education, there's so many different ways. You can make $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 per year if you learn a hard trade or some skill like electrician, becoming a police officer, going out there and becoming a carpenter, working for the union. That's one of the best ways. If you can learn a skill, you can get rewarded. But the truth is, so many people want to go through the college experience. Some people say, hey, let's get a 4-year degree. Let's eventually go into finance, or let's go make this desk office working $9 to $5 and make $150,000 your first year. That is unrealistic. And that's what everyone wants when they're young and my age. But what I want to share with you guys is how you can do it. So if I had to start over again, if I had to relive my life, and I'm trying to share with you guys how you can make 6 figures. Is number one, if you don't want to go to college, go learn a skill. Go work somewhere that's going to allow you to, they're going to pay for your education. They're going to learn this hard skill. You can make a $50,000, $60,000 salary. What I was doing when I first started my business was I'm making $45,000, $50,000 just mowing lawns every day for myself. But on the side, what allowed me to make this extra money, which allowed me to cross this line, was going out there and working on a side hustle, learning and developing new skills, reading, going out there, building a brand on TikTok, which was financial, going out there and selling on eBay. When I was in college, I was starting a reselling eBay business. The truth is, you have to spend as much time as you can when you're young, learning skills, developing skills, becoming a more valuable asset than all the people around you, which will then allow you to get rewarded. But the truth is, if you want to become valuable, if you want to make more money, it takes a lot of time. It takes daily progress every day, waking up, making sacrifices, and becoming a more valuable human. But people do not want to hear this. They think that you, in order to get this, high-paying job, you have to go to college, succumb to all this debt, and then you have this magical skill that's going to make you $60,000 to $80,000 to $100,000 per year. But the average salary when I was going to the Maryland Business School was around $55,000 after you graduate with a business degree, which meant you made on $80,000, $90,000 worth of debt. It did not make sense. So my advice for you, if you're young, you're hardworking and you want to go out there and make money, is to learn a skill, start a side hustle, start developing skills, characteristic traits, and start going to action, applying yourself, being willing to fail, put yourself in uncomfortable situations, and literally waking up every day for yourself. If you can look at yourself in the mirror and be like, damn, I'm doing what I need to do every day. I'm trying to grow. I'm trying to become a better person, plugging into podcasts, reading new books, studying from other successful people, and you're trying to grow as an individual, the money will come. But more importantly, what I want to share with you guys is that if college is not right for you, there's so many different avenues. So apply yourself, keep working on yourself, and put the fucking work in. Put the work in every day, long days, long hours, learning, growing, connecting, networking, shaking hands. These minor things that you do every day can eventually change your life, and that's exactly where I've gotten in my life. So I just want to share with you guys my story about how you can really get ahead of your friends. And more importantly, I want to share with you guys probably the most important part that allowed me to buy this house, that allowed me to just get ahead of the friend group financially, and just really start saving, investing $150,000 of personal money that's also in the stock market, things like that, is to not succumb to all the peer pressure of buying shit. Just doing shit every day. When I have a $15,000 week, I'm not buying a Rolex. I'm not buying bottle services at the club. I'm not buying things to flex to show my friends that I'm being successful. I don't tell anybody. I watch my bank account grow. I watch my wisdom grow. But more importantly, I continue to repeat this process to invest in assets, buy houses, invest heavily in the stock market, invest in new equipment, invest in new educational programs, and continue to grow this skill, continue to educate myself, continue to grow myself, because the best asset that's going to produce the most amount of money in my life is myself. So I have to continue to feed myself with knowledge, information, nutrition, physical, mentally, and spiritually, and my life and income will grow. So guys, when you're young, you have two choices: to enjoy the 4-year vacation, to go into the college debt, to continue to just kind of follow down the path of your parents, your friends, to feel good, or you can take the hard decision. You can take the separate road to learn a skill, to go out there and just get your hands dirty, go out there and try to work for someone that's going to learn you these skills, or you can go out there and party and enjoy yourself. You have two choices, and whatever choice you make is exactly the life that you're going to live. I wish I knew, and I wish you could understand, the choices that you make every day really will reflect how much you get out of life and how much you will get out of your personal success at a young age. So be mindful, keep growing, keep working on yourself, and I hope this video helped y'all make some money, get ahead of the 8 ball at a young age, and start crushing it. I'm exhausted, time to eat, but thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video, just documenting this journey. Love y'all. Peace.